Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about overkill mates. So what are overkill mates? Overkill mates means either side is having enormous material advantage, whereas the other side is only having a lonely king. For example, two queens versus a lonely king, one rook, one queen versus a lonely king, etc. etc. So to do a overkill mates, we need to remember three rules. So let's go to rule number one. Rule number one says that push your opponent's king to one of the four sides of the board. So we have to push the opponent's king to one of the four sides of the board. So let me show you the four sides of the board. The four sides of the board are this, 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 and this. So while doing a overkill mate, you must remember that your opponent will always try to come in the center and you must avoid him, because we can easily do a mate on a side, either doing the mate on these four squares. So these are called center. So it is very easy to do a mate on a side, either doing a mate in the center. So it would be more preferable if you do a mate on the side. So the move is this restricts the opponent king from coming into the center, and now the opponent king is at one of the sides of the board. Now let's go to the next rule. So the rule number 2 suggests that use one of your major pieces to cut the enemy king off from the rank or file. So as we have learned in our last video that major pieces means queen and the rook, we have to use them to cut the enemy king. So what do you mean by cutting the enemy king? As I have told you that in overkill mates, the king is trying to come here into the center, so we have to cut, we have to restrict the king from coming to the center. So the move is this, and rule number 2 says that we have to use a major piece to cut this. So we have used a major piece and we have not allowed the king to come here. Now he has only 5 squares to go. So now let's go to the rule. This is the final rule and a very important rule. This rule tells that use other major piece to check the king of the next file or rank. So it is some complicated, but I will explain you. So we have to use other major piece. So what do you mean by other major piece? The major piece which is not doing any work. Now see, you can see that the rook is doing a work that controlling these squares and not allowing king to come into the center. Now I think the queen is not doing any work, so we need to give him some work. Now we have to kick the king to the side. So as we have known that the king must go here and here, but there are two squares that are restricting the king that king has. So we have to control these squares, but with the help of the queen. So the move is this controls the both squares, and the king must now go on a side, and there is a simple mate. So I hope you have understood the three rules. Now it's time for the implementation of these rules. I'm setting up a position of overkill mates. Yeah, looking maybe here. So this is the position of overkill mate. So as you see this position, the first thing that come in your mind is that rule number 1. So what is rule number 1? Push your enemy king in one of the sides of the board. So firstly you have to choose a side. So let me think. Okay, I will play first move this, and I have chose this side. So this is my first move. The king will go here, and then he will also say that no, see, I want to also play, so he will be in the center. So you have to get him into the side. So rule number 2, cutting the king. Now rule number 3, check with the other major piece. The king will go here. But now what if you went here? Then it's a blunder, because the king will eat your piece and say, oh thanks. So here we have to move our rook as far as we can from the king, but in the same rank, because we have to control the rank. So I will play the rook over here. Oh, what the problem? The king will go here. Then rule number 3, check. King will come here. Then rule number 3, check. The king will go here, and the last move, mate. So a very easy topic of overkill mate we have done. I hope you have understood the overkill mate, and you just have to focus on these rules, and a very simple overkill mate we have completed today. Thank you.